Module 1. No-Code AI App Development. Welcome. Imagine having a brilliant app idea, but lacking the coding skills to bring it to life. For years, this was a major barrier. Now, with the rise of AI, anyone can become a developer. In this first lesson, we'll introduce you to the exciting world where artificial intelligence helps you build and even clone successful apps without writing a single line of code, using free tools available in 2025. Our objective is to understand this paradigm shift in app development, allowing non-developers to clone successful apps quickly and explore the available free platforms. AI-powered app cloning represents a fundamental change. Traditionally, app development required extensive knowledge of programming languages. However, with advancements in artificial intelligence, new tools have emerged that allow users to simply describe the app they want, and the AI generates the underlying structure. You'll see some key terms on your screen now: no-code and low-code platforms, AI integration, app cloning, and the democratization of development. This trend empowers individuals and non-technical founders to bring their ideas to market without the significant time and cost investment. Platforms like Bubble, AppGyver, and Adalo are often at the forefront, offering generous free plans suitable for learning and building basic prototypes. To really solidify this, here's an exercise you can try. The task shown on your screen is to research and identify 3 popular free no-code platforms for 2025 that offer AI features, and then briefly describe their primary use cases. Your research will likely show platforms like Bubble, which is ideal for complex web apps; Adalo, which is perfect for native mobile apps with simple databases; and Glide, which excels at creating apps from Google Sheets, often used for internal tools or directories. This demonstrates how AI tools are democratizing app development by allowing non-developers to create applications using natural language or visual interfaces, eliminating the need for specialized programming knowledge. Now that you have an idea for an app, how do you actually start building it without coding? This lesson will show you the practical first steps, using AI prompts to generate the foundational structure of your app. We'll learn how to use these prompts to generate the app's initial features using free or freemium tools. Generating an app structure with AI involves carefully crafting prompts. Think of the AI as a very smart assistant that needs clear instructions. Be specific, define the core purpose, and outline key screens and features. For example, a good prompt, which you can see on the screen now, would be: create a mobile recipe app. It needs a main screen with a list of recipes, a search bar, and a way to add new recipes. Each recipe needs a detail screen showing ingredients and instructions. Users should be able to mark recipes as favorites.
Now, this is a great one to try yourself. I encourage you to formulate a detailed prompt to create a simple utility app, like a to-do list or expense tracker. The task on your screen now is to formulate a detailed prompt, about 5 to 7 sentences long, for an AI app builder to create a simple utility app. Make sure to describe the main screens, key functionalities, and user interactions. When you formulate this, the resulting app structure would typically include a few key components. For a to-do list app, this would be a home screen displaying tasks with a plus button, an add task screen with input fields, and potentially a task detail screen. Simple navigation would connect these, creating the core user flow. You've used AI to generate your app structure, but how do you know if it works on a real phone? This lesson is all about hands-on testing. We'll explore free and easy-to-use tools like Expo Go, which allow you to preview and interact with your app prototypes directly on your mobile device. Our objective is to understand the importance of this testing and how to iterate on initial designs. Testing on actual devices is critical. Screen size, touch interactions, and performance can only be truly evaluated through hands-on use. Expo Go is a free mobile application that acts as a universal viewer for this. On your screen, you can see the Expo Go logo and a simple diagram of the process. First, you generate a QR code from your builder. Second, you scan it with the Expo Go app. And third, the app loads directly on your phone. This rapid feedback loop is essential for iteration, making small, continuous improvements to your app's design and functionality. To really get a feel for this, I encourage you to get the tool ready. The task outlined on the screen is to download and install the free Expo Go app on your mobile device, either iOS or Android, and then open the app and familiarize yourself with its initial screen. Once installed, you'll see a simple interface, primarily designed to scan a QR code. This process is incredibly efficient for rapid iteration. By scanning a code from your app builder, the app loads directly on your phone, providing immediate real device feedback. This allows you to quickly identify issues, make changes, and see them reflected almost instantly, leading to faster and more effective design improvements. A basic app structure is great, but modern apps often need more, like user logins and smart features. This lesson will show you how to elevate your app by integrating powerful backend services like Supabase for authentication and how to leverage AI itself to add complex features like diagnostics, all while sticking to free tiers. While no-code builders handle the front end, you need a backend for user management and data storage. Supabase is an excellent open-source choice with a generous free tier that handles user registration, login, and provides a database. As you can see on the screen, some key features of Supabase's free tier include up to 10,000 monthly active users, a 500 megabyte database, and a gigabyte of storage. For more complex features like a plant disease diagnosis, you can prompt your no-code AI to design the workflow. You would prompt it to add a feature allowing users to upload an image, which is then sent to an external AI service for analysis, with the app displaying the results. To solidify this concept, here's a task to think through, which is now on your screen. Outline the conceptual steps to integrate
User authentication into an app using Supabase's free tier. Highlight 2 features of the free plan that make it suitable for a beginner's app. What this reveals is a clear process. First, you create a Supabase project. Second, you configure authentication methods. Third, you connect your no-code app using the provided API keys. Supabase's free tier is perfect for beginners due to its high user limit, up to 10,000 monthly active users, and the inclusion of a real database, which are crucial for launching a functional app. The ideal prompt for a diagnostic feature would be integrate a plant disease diagnosis feature with a button to upload a photo. After processing, display the diagnosis result and create a diagnosis history section to view a list of past diagnoses. Why build an app from scratch when you can learn from what's already successful? This lesson delves into the compelling trend of cloning successful app ideas using AI and no-code tools. It's about leveraging proven market demand and rapidly deploying your own version with accessible monetization strategies. This trend isn't about illegal copying, but about identifying successful concepts and replicating their core value with your own unique twist. The advantages are clear: market validation, reduced risk, and rapid deployment. AI facilitates this by enabling rapid prototyping based on descriptions of existing apps. For monetization, you can start with a freemium model, in-app advertising, or donations. This is a great one to try yourself to see the potential. The task on your screen is to identify a successful niche app and then brainstorm how its core functionality could be replicated using AI no-code development, and how you would add a unique spin to differentiate your clone. When you think this through, you begin to see the business logic. The key advantage of cloning is leveraging proven market demand, which significantly reduces risk. AI and no-code tools then drastically cut development time, allowing for rapid deployment. However, a potential disadvantage is facing intense competition from the established app. Success often hinges on finding that unique niche or adding significant value to differentiate your version from the original. Module 2: AI-powered marketing with AI actors. Welcome to Module 2. Traditional marketing can be expensive and time-consuming. But what if you could create compelling video ads with virtual spokespersons quickly and affordably? This lesson introduces you to AI marketing and the revolutionary concept of AI actors, digital humans that can deliver your marketing message using free tools available today. AI marketing uses artificial intelligence to make marketing more efficient and personalized. AI actors, or digital humans, are at the forefront of this revolution. They are virtual characters generated by AI that can speak, display emotions, and perform like human actors, but at a fraction of the cost and time. They offer scalability, consistency, and global reach by easily creating multilingual content. This is a great one to think through to understand the broader implications. Your task, shown on the screen, is to research the ethical considerations and potential benefits of using AI actors in marketing, and then summarize one ethical concern and one significant benefit. Your research will reveal a key ethical concern, the potential for misuse in creating deep fakes, which underscores the need for transparency. On the other hand, a significant benefit is the democratization of professional video production, allowing small businesses to compete with larger corporations on a more level playing field. At its core, an AI actor is a virtual character generated by AI. It differs from a traditional spokesperson by eliminating the need for physical filming, which drastically reduces production costs and time, while offering unparalleled flexibility for instant customization and scaling of ad variations. Knowing what an AI actor is, fascinating, but how do you actually make one speak your message? This lesson will guide you through the practical steps of generating your first AI actor-led video, leveraging free or trial versions of specialized platforms. Creating these videos follows a straightforward workflow. First, you select a platform like create.o.a.i. Then, you choose a pre-designed AI actor from a library. Next, you write or paste your script into a text area. You can then select a voice, language, and tone. Finally, you generate the video. The AI processes your inputs and creates the final product, often in just a few minutes. To really solidify this process, here's the workflow you'll want to run in your head. Your task on screen is to outline the process of selecting an AI actor, inputting a short script, and generating a video ad using a free AI video platform. The output of this process is a ready-to-use video. When selecting a platform for this, your priorities should be clear. You'll want to prioritize the variety and quality of the free AI actors, the ease of inputting a script and selecting voices, the simplicity of the user interface, and the speed of video generation. Even with watermarks, the ability to produce a complete video for learning is the key objective. An AI actor delivering your script is good, but what if it could deliver it with emotion, a specific accent, or even wear different outfits? This lesson dives into the exciting world of customization. We'll explore how to refine your AI actor's performance, voice, and appearance using free or trial features. Even with free tools, you can achieve surprising degrees of customization. You can adjust the voice's tone and emotion, such as making it happy or serious. You can alter the speed and pitch, and even select regional accents to target specific demographics. Visually, you can choose from a library of actors and set them against different backgrounds. These customizations are crucial for emotional connection and brand alignment. Here's an exercise to put this into practice, as shown on the screen. Write a short ad script about 30 to 45 seconds long. Then specify how you would customize an AI actor's voice, including speed, emotion, and accent, and one visual attribute, explaining why those choices are suitable for your product. When you run this, you'll realize how these options impact an ad's effectiveness. Voice tone, like making it excited for an energy drink, influences the emotional connection. Inappropriate accent can increase relatability for a target audience. And the visual selection of the actor contributes to the overall brand image and perceived professionalism, fostering authenticity and trust. In today's global marketplace, reaching diverse audiences is key. This lesson will unveil how AI tools have revolutionized this process, enabling you to rapidly generate advertising content in multiple languages using free translation and generation tools. AI plays two key roles here. First, AI translation tools like ChatGPT or Google Translate can rapidly translate your ad scripts. Second, AI video generators often support multiple languages for text-to-speech. The workflow is simple. Develop your core script, translate it with AI, and then feed each translated script into your video generator, selecting the appropriate language and voice. This provides massive cost savings and incredible speed to market. I encourage you to run this next process to see the power of this feature firsthand. Your task, on screen, is to use a free AI translation tool to translate a short ad script. For example, our new app makes learning fun and easy, into 2 different languages. When you do this, you'll see the translation appear almost instantly. This immediate capability, combined with AI actor generation, enables seamless international marketing. The primary benefits compared to traditional methods are the significant cost reduction by eliminating human talent fees and the vastly accelerated speed to market, allowing brands to reach diverse global audiences much more efficiently. An AI actor delivering a script is good, but a truly engaging video needs more: dynamic visuals, supportive B-roll footage, and clear captions. This lesson will show you how to take your AI-generated videos to the next level using free video editing and captioning tools. We can enhance our videos in 3 ways. First, use any built-in gesture options in the AI generator to make the actor more expressive. Second, incorporate B-roll, which is supplementary footage. You can get free, high-quality stock video from sites like Pexels and edit it in using free video editing software like CapCut. Third, add dynamic captions. Captions are crucial for accessibility and for users who watch videos on mute. Tools like CapCut or VidFix can generate these automatically. To really solidify this concept, here's the workflow you'll want to envision. Your task, on screen, is to describe how you would use a free video editor like CapCut and a free caption tool to enhance a 30-second AI actor video. Mention one type of B-roll you would add and how you would apply dynamic captions. The output should clearly show you a multi-layered video. For an ad about a travel app, you might add B-roll of beautiful landscapes. You would then use the auto caption feature to generate text, customizing the font and color to match your brand. Captions make content accessible and consumable without sound. B-roll adds visual context and breaks monotony. And gestures make the AI actor seem more relatable. Together, these elements make a video more dynamic and shareable, increasing its potential for virality. Module 3. The business case for AI marketing. Welcome to our final module. You've seen how to create AI-powered apps and marketing videos, but does it actually make business sense? This lesson gets to the core of the financial argument, comparing the costs and efficiency of using AI actors versus traditional marketing methods. The cost-effectiveness of AI actors is one of their most compelling advantages. Traditional marketing involves heavy costs: talent fees, production crews, equipment rental, location permits, and post-production. In contrast, AI actor marketing primarily involves your time and potentially a low-cost subscription, with many tools offering free tiers. The efficiency gains are enormous. Talent fees are eliminated, production costs vanish, and you can make changes instantly without expensive reshoots. A traditional 30-second ad can cost thousands. An AI-generated ad can cost next to nothing. This is a great one to try yourself in a hypothetical scenario. The task on your screen now is to create a simplified budget comparison for a campaign requiring 10 video ads, comparing human influencers versus AI actors. Make sure to highlight 3 categories with significant cost savings. What this reveals is staggering. The 3 most significant savings categories would be talent fees, reduced by nearly 100%, production costs, also reduced by nearly 100%, and post-production and revisions, reduced from thousands to virtually 0. Beyond talent fees, AI actors slash costs by removing the need for production crews, equipment rentals, and studio locations, and by eliminating the expense of reshoots, as changes can be made and regenerated almost instantly. When evaluating marketing, it's easy to just look at how well one ad performs. But with AI actors, the real magic happens at scale. This lesson will teach you to analyze the unique return on investment, or ROI, of AI actors where strength lies in generating and testing thousands of variations. Traditional marketing focuses on perfecting a few expensive videos. The AI actor approach focuses on volume. Because each video is cheap to produce, you can create hundreds of variations, A/B testing different scripts, actors, and tones to see what works best. Even if a single traditional ad has a slightly higher conversion rate, the sheer volume of optimized AI ads can generate far more total conversions. The no contest argument is about total conversions, driven by data. Here's a scenario to run, which you can see on the screen. Calculate the potential total sales for a campaign using 10 human-created videos versus 500 AI-generated videos, using the provided cost and conversion rate assumptions. When you run the numbers, the outcome is clear. Even with a lower average conversion rate, the ability to find and scale a handful of winner videos from a large pool means the AI approach generates significantly more total sales for a fraction of the cost. This is the no contest argument. AI's unparalleled scalability and testability allow marketers to create, test, and optimize hundreds of ad variations. The cumulative effect of many well-targeted, high-performing AI ads generates a far greater total number of conversions for a much lower overall investment. The theory of AI marketing is compelling, but what about real-world results? This lesson grounds our discussion in actual success stories, examining how companies like Headway and Plantain have achieved remarkable success by embracing AI-generated content.
Let's look at Headway, a personal development app. They're known for an aggressive user acquisition strategy that relies on a vast volume of short, engaging video ads. They use AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and dynamic editing to rapidly produce and test hundreds of ad creatives. This allows them to quickly identify viral content and scale campaigns for massive user growth. Their success comes from volume, velocity, and data-driven optimization. To really solidify this concept, here's a task for you on the screen. Choose an app like Headway or Plantain. Research how AI could contribute to its marketing success, citing a specific online article about AI in marketing. Your research will confirm this strategy. Headway achieved significant user growth by leveraging AI-generated ad content. Instead of costly traditional video production, they used AI to rapidly create and test hundreds of short video variations. This allowed them to quickly identify and scale high-performing creatives, dramatically increasing their user acquisition efficiency and ROI by speaking to diverse audiences with highly optimized messages. As powerful as AI marketing is, it's not about replacing humans entirely. The future lies in collaboration. This final lesson introduces hybrid marketing, the intelligent combination of human creativity and AI efficiency. We'll explore this synergy and identify emerging trends for 2025 and beyond. Hybrid marketing leverages the best of both worlds. Humans provide the creativity, empathy, strategic vision, and brand storytelling. AI provides the speed, scalability, data analysis, and tireless execution. We call this the authenticity plus speed approach. The future of this trend includes hyper-personalization, where AI delivers unique messages to each customer, generative AI for entire campaigns, and the use of AI actors in synthetic experiences like the metaverse. To bring this all together, here's your final exercise, shown on the screen. Propose a hybrid marketing strategy for a new fictional product. Describe how both human creativity and AI-generated elements would collaborate. When you map this out, you create a powerful strategy. A human would craft the core brand message of an eco-friendly smart home device, focusing on sustainability and family safety. AI would then take that core message and generate hundreds of personalized video ads with AI actors targeting different demographics. One ad for new parents, another for tech enthusiasts, another for eco-conscious buyers. This authenticity plus speed approach combines human creativity for nuanced brand messaging with AI's efficiency for rapid, scalable content generation. This synergy allows brands to maintain a genuine voice while reaching vast audiences with personalized content, achieving truly impactful marketing results.
Congratulations! You have completed this journey through AI-powered app development and marketing. You've seen how AI and no-code tools are empowering a new generation of creators. You've learned that speed, efficiency, and the power of scale are paramount, and that the future belongs to the synergy between human creativity and artificial intelligence. The landscape of AI is constantly evolving. Your continuous learning and experimentation will be your most valuable assets. Now, go forth and build.